Welcome, in front of me is the Honor 20 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel, like so, expand it, and if you don't see the Do Not Disturb mode toggle somewhere in here, simply tap on the pencil and then drag it over. So as you can see, for me it's right over here, so hold it, will kind of lift up. As you can see now, I can drag it around and simply move it over here. Click on done and it should be visible in here now. So now what you want to do is hold it again, and this will take you to the settings from where you can actually customize how it works. So we have the Do Not Disturb mode. This is just a toggle for it. And then below that we have a schedule, so you can set up a schedule. This will basically make the Do Not Disturb mode turn on and off at a given day of the week and the time, and then turn off automatically as well, which is really nice. Now you can either add one or use the existing one. And then below that we have calls and messages, which has basically the same option. So we have allow calls from everybody, contacts, favorites, and a no one. And messages, like I said, same thing. The only difference between those two is calls has this check option right here, repeated callers, which if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will be able to reach you no matter what the option right here is. They will basically bypass this calls option, whatever it is set to. So if you don't want something like that, you want to disable this. But if you do want to keep it, then well, keep it on. This will ensure that, for instance, if there is some kind of emergency, people can still reach you. So from there, all you need to do is either wait for the given time and day of the week to approach for it to turn on automatically, or if you want to turn it on manually, all you need to do is tap on the toggle right here, enable, and there we go, it is already on. If we pull it down, you can see that it is right now turned on. So that is how you would enable it, and once you're done with it, you can simply turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more, and this will turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.